सोलो ग्रोथ मॉडल, इसका जो क्लास बिलोंग करेगा न्यू क्लासिकल ग्रोथ मॉडल। And Solow introduced growth model belonging to class of new classical growth model. According to new classical growth model, rate of saving play very important role in the growth process of an economy. It considers saving as a constant function of income, constant function you can call it, constant function of income. A fixed amount fraction of income is a saved according to new classical growth model. And in equation you can see S is SY. There are three terms you can see. Greater S in capital letter indicating just saving, and Y in capital letter indicating income, and small s is propensity to save, Since saving is constant fraction of income, that's the why average propensity to save equal to marginal propensity to save. And this equation can be extended. Suppose it can be written as y equal to y, that is sy equal to s, this s, and y. Since national income is equal to national product, okay, then y is the function of LK. That is, what is this? Y become national income equal to national product, GDP. And GDP, in order to produce GDP, there are need to two factor of production as assumed in new classical growth model, labor and capital. One is variable and second factor is a fixed. This is equation. Once again look, this S is as it is, and Y national product equal to F is the production function, it converted. Now move to plan investment equal to plan saving. Simply plan investment I equal to S, plan investment equal to plan saving, that is the saving equal to investment. First thing, a net addition of capital, net addition of the stock of capital, capital is delta K. Delta that is indicating the change in the stock of capital. that can be obtained. It can be obtained just deducting depreciation of capital stock during a period from the planned saving, that is the planned investment, because saving equal to investment. If I call it planned saving, it means it also means planned investment. Now look at delta K, net addition to a stock of the capital, that is the investment, whatever we invest, it become delta K, that is the change in investment capital stock, equal to SY minus D, where D is depreciation, bearing of capital stock, and SY is the saving, that is the marginal propensity to save certain fraction of income, that is the equal to saving, and that is I equal to investment equal to saving, and if we subtract D, that is the depreciation of a stock of capital, it becomes delta K. And now depreciation occur at a certain percentage of the existing capital stock. Depreciation very simple meaning, depreciation. Suppose a machine has a 10 years life and its value equal to 1 lakh. Every year it is depreciated equal to 1 lakh. Now total depreciation can be written as D. D is total depreciation equal to DK. Depreciation of capital stock, it is indicating total depreciation. Now it is the equation 1. If I assume and we substitute the value of D equal to DK, it becomes like that. Delta K as it is, this delta K as it is equal to investment. I am ignoring it because both are equal to us, equal to SY, that is the saving, and this D become DK minus DK. Now become a new equation, delta K, net addition to a stock of capital equal to saving minus total depreciation, and little bit modification of this required here. Delta K and shifting minus DK in LHS side, it become positive equal to SY, and it can be written here fresh one, SY, I am writing first the term in RHS side equal to DK, first writing this, and now I am placing the term in LHS side into RHS side because both are equal, delta K plus DK. And dividing and multiplying. Okay, dividing and multiplying of first term of the right side of equation by K, only first term, K into delta K, first term of dividing and multiplying of first term of right side this equation, first dividing K and multiplying first term of right hand side equation DK. Now DK delta K, it become, and 4 a state of equilibrium. It is very important to learn equilibrium. A state of equilibrium. The growth of capital stock denoted by delta K by K equal to growth rate of labor, delta L by L must be equal at the point of a state equilibrium. If denote both are equal, the growth rate of the stock of capital equal to growth rate of the population, both are equal. If it is denoted by N, it is delta K by K denoted by N. Now it can be written this equation, K, it become N plus dk, and if you factor out K as a common, if we take K as a common, K times N plus T become a new equation. This is the fundamental growth equation of new classical growth model, that is the Solow model. Now there is a criticism given for Solow growth model. One by one we can check out. This is the fundamental growth equation of Solow model. There are two major criticisms placed on Solow growth model. First, this growth model, Solow growth model, that is the new classical growth model, does not consider education is a factor. And you know, education improved the productivity capacity of capital as well as labor. Okay. Second, it is based on constant return to a scale. That is the new classical growth model, Solow, that is Solow growth model assume constant, there is a constant return to a scale prevailing in the production process. But it is not correct, because in real world there are three return to a scale: increasing return to a scale, constant return to a scale, and declining return to a scale. These are two major criticism given to Solow growth model, and this question carry 12 marks, and question is asked critically examine Solow growth model. It is asked under section B, carry 12 marks.